Hi, I'm Stephen Washington, and I teach a combination of Qigong and Pilates that I call Core Qigong. In this video, I will be teaching you knocking on the door of life and water waves, which invigorates the spine and eases emotional stress. Remember, listen to your body, do what you can and don't do what you can't. If anything feels uncomfortable, stop and modify the movement to suit your body. Okay, let's get started. Let's get the body moving again by doing a little knocking on the door of life to activate key pressure points in your body. So we stand with our legs about shoulder width apart, soften your knees and lengthen your spine. Turn from your waist to the right and the left. Allow your arms to swing away from your body. Build momentum so the arms swing fully, and at the last moment you bend your elbows to knock your arms along the lower back and your abdomen. Again, activating key pressure points in the body for energy and vitality in the low back and good digestion along your waist. Now be sure to relax your shoulders as you do this, and again really focus on moving from the center of your body. Now make a soft fist. Tap on the corner of the chest just below your collarbone to activate some lung points, which benefit your respiratory system. And then open the palm of your hand and tap on the top of the shoulder, base of your neck, relieving lines of tension in your neck and shoulders, upper back, which is where we tend to hold on to a lot of our stress. That seems to be how it manifests in the body. Tight shoulders, tight upper back. Let's go back down to the chest again. And then let's go to the waist again in the abdomen, low back. Take a deep breath with me. And as you exhale, let's drop into water waves. So now the arms are no longer knocking against the body. The arms are spiraling around the body. Whew. And just feel yourself interacting with the energy around you. So can you feel the air around you? Gently caressing your arms and moving through your fingers. This is a great exercise to not only open the spine, but also to calm and relax us and to regulate our central nervous system. Also helps us to push mental stress away. Take 3 more deep breaths with me. Take 1 more breath with me, and then slow the movement down. Slow it down until you are still.